respect, responsibility, inclusion. Welcome to SIBS, a beacon of modern education where the future is crafted today. Here, we believe that education transcends traditional academic excellence. Our mission is to empower young individuals to become balanced, open-minded global citizens. In our school, we believe that technology is not just a tool, but a catalyst for transformation. Our state-of-the-art facilities and resources empower students to explore the realms of artificial intelligence, coding, and robotics. Our dedicated faculty, who are experts in their fields, guide students through this dynamic landscape, ensuring they are not only consumers of technology, but also creators. We cultivate a passion for lifelong learning, equipping students with the skills they need to thrive in an ever-evolving digital world. At SIBS, we understand that education is not solely about academics, but we follow a holistic approach and allow them to explore their creative potential, fostering a sense of self-expression and confidence. Our state-of-the-art facilities, including a fully equipped TV station and art studios, provide a platform for students to explore their passions and share their unique perspectives with the world. We encourage our students to express themselves through the arts, drama, and media. Whether through a captivating performance on stage or a thought-provoking piece of art, every student has the opportunity to shine. We incorporate arts, cultural and other extracurricular activities that promote healthy lifestyles and resilience into daily teaching. Our art exhibition hall is a stunning open space. Our innovative research space is a dynamic knowledge hub to inspire creativity in the 21st century. Collaboration is at the heart of our teaching philosophy. We are proud to have a diverse team of foreign teachers who bring a wealth of experience and cultural perspectives to our classrooms. They are equipped with more than just academic knowledge. They develop critical life skills, communication, collaboration, and compassion. Our 21st century teaching space is a hub of innovation, where students bring their ideas to life through cutting-edge technology. Here, they learn to design and create prototypes, exploring the realms of engineering and design thinking. SIBS is not just a school, it's a community that values individuality and diversity. Our inclusive environment fosters open-mindedness, allowing students to learn from each other's experiences and cultures. At SIBS, we are dedicated to nurturing the leaders of the future from a young age. The holistic approach is extended to state-of-the-art sporting facilities. Dynamic spaces provide students the opportunity to build strength, confidence, and teamwork through a variety of sports and activities. Students are encouraged to explore the world around them with curiosity and an open heart. In this dynamic environment, students learn to become well-rounded global citizens who are empathetic, innovative, and ready to take on the challenges of tomorrow. It is not just a school, it's a community that values individuality and diversity in the 21st century. It is a space where the future is created. Today, this is Springboard International Bilingual School, Beijing, rooted in tech DNA, embracing the future.